Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be using this tip, Halo's Snapdragon, Goddess's gel paints in red and green, Neo Nails matte top coat, Bling Lines Cool One Step gel, Nail Sugar's Mystical Mylar. In today's video I'll be following this step by step by phypderson.dk, I think you say it. Her Instagram will be linked down below, and I'll show you how easy or hard it is I found it. So grab a cuppa and let's get started. For the first coat I'll be using Halo's Snapdragon. Do a nice thin layer and then pop that in for a cure. Here I'm just doing the second layer. And then pop that in for a cure. Now I'm going to be using Bling Lines Cool One Step Gel, just a nice thin layer. Do not cure this layer because we're going to be using Nail Sugar's Mystical Micro Mylar. In a minute. How beautiful is that? It's so beautiful, it's so sparkly. So I'm just dabbing that into the wet layer of the Cool One Step Gel. And once I'm happy, I'll pop that in for a cure. So once that's cured, how beautiful is that? Oh, it's so beautiful, so shiny. Absolutely love it. Now I'm just putting down a thin layer, which we call a slip layer, because gel likes to follow gel. I'm going to pick up a bigger bead of gel to form the structure of the nail. And pop that in for a cure. And file and buff it off camera. No one wants to see all that filing, even though it's really easy to file this gel. Now I'm just wiping off the tacky layer. Now I'll be going in with Neo Nails matte top coat. A nice even thin layer in this. And pop that in for a cure. Now I'm going to get the Goddess gel paints in red and a dotting tool. Here I'm going to just do the 4 dots. Then join to form a point. Here I'm just going to get my Nap Mug detailer brush just to define the hearts and make sure they look a bit more better in shape. Now you can either flash cure or fully cure, it's totally up to you. Now I'm going to get the green Goddess gel paint and do the stems and the leaves, and then I'll be doing the same again on the second set of cherry hearts. So I'll just let you watch this and I'll be back. Here I've just got a bit of the green gel paint on my palette and added a little bit of white just to do the details in the leaves. And then once I've done that, I'm going to get the matte top coat and do a nice thin layer. You could do this shiny if you really wanted to, but I like the matte look in this. And then pop that in for a cure, and then you're done. I did find this quite easy to do, and I hope you all do too. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye now.